In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then search for Visual Studio Code. Browse this URL code.visualstudio.com. Click on the download button. From here, download the Visual Studio Code for Windows operating system. I am going to download the system installer for the all users of the system. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading Visual Studio Code. Okay. You can also install Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Storage. So open Microsoft Store and search for Visual Studio Code. Select and click on the install button. Okay. At first, I am going to show how to install from Windows installer. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes option. Then read the following important information before continuing. Then accept the license agreement. Then click on next. Then click on next. Next. If you want to create a desktop icon, check this box. Then click on next. Finally, click on the install button to continue the installation. It may take a while for installing Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. The setup has finished installing Visual Studio Code. If you want to launch Visual Studio Code right now, check this box. Otherwise, uncheck and then click on finish to exit the setup. Here you will see a desktop shortcut icon has been created. Now I am going to show you how to uninstall Visual Studio Code from Windows operating system. So go to the settings of the Windows and then select Apps tab and then select and then expand installed apps. Scroll down and find out Visual Studio Code. Click on this three-dot icon and then select uninstall. Finally, click on the uninstall button. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Select yes. That's it. Visual Studio Code uninstalled successfully. Okay. Now I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Store. Click on this install button. It may take a while for preparing, downloading and installing. That's it. Visual Studio Code installed. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.